Hello, my lovelies. My name is Lecka, and today we're going to be talking about how to stream on Kick. So whether this is your first time streaming ever, I'm going to walk you through how to do this, or if you have already streamed before on Twitch or on YouTube and you want to see what it's like to get started streaming on Kick, then this video is going to be for you, so keep watching. Now, the very first thing you're going to need is a stream key, which is something that you are able to get from your settings on Kick. So if we go over here to the first side, you're going to see that when you make an account, first obviously you need to make an email account and a password that is unique to you that you don't share with anybody that you can create for Kick. And then you are going to go, if we go back, you are going to have a page that looks something like this. This is going to be your home page here on Kick. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top right corner where you will see a green sphere if you haven't already done your profile picture. And you are going to go to your creator dashboard. Once you are here, you will then be brought over to this screen. Now yours will show your chat, it'll show you that you're offline right now, how many viewers you have, if you are live, it's just like Twitch's dashboard if you're familiar with that, how many followers you have, and if you are already affiliated, then how many subscribers. Now, another thing is if you want to change up your profile picture, your banner for your offline, like mine is, etc., then what you'll do is you'll go over to community and you will go over into your, you'll actually go over to settings and go to profile. And from here in your profile, you can actually customize it. So you can edit your profile picture, you can edit your banner, you can edit your offline image as well, all from here. In addition, you can also make sure that you're able to edit your information for your description and your socials as well. After you've completely set up your profile to be whatever it is that you need it to be, you're going to go into your settings down here. You're going to click on Stream Key. Now, once you hit your Stream Key, it'll show you your stream URL, and then once you get your stream URL, you're going to copy this into OBS, which is going to be your streaming software. Now, for example, this is what your OBS will look like. It will have you would need to download this. It's completely free. I'll leave a link for it in the description down below as well as a streaming software. I highly recommend it. What you have to do is go into your settings and you need to go into your stream and then you need to set the service in your stream to custom. Once you are done with that, you need to copy and paste that stream URL that was right here into your server. And then you need to copy and paste your stream key, which you can do by clicking these two papers that are next to each other, or just by copying and pasting it by highlighting it if you want to, into your stream key right here. Once you are done with that, you just hit apply. Mine is grayed out because it's already doing that. And then you'll hit OK. And then when you hit start streaming, you can do that. Now, as far as basic settings go for streaming, if this is your very first time ever, I highly recommend that after you set up this stream setting, that you go into your output and you set your streaming settings here. So what I do is I stream at 4,000 kilobytes per second. I have a 160 audio bit rate. My encoder preset is slow so that it's good quality. You can change this to be any of these to be better, but I have it set to P5 because I find that that's a good medium for me. Additionally, if you want to set your kilobytes to higher or lower depending on your internet speed, if you know how to do that, you can, but I find 4,000 again is a very good happy medium. Also, you want to go to your video when you're done with that output setting and make sure that your base canvas is 1920 by 1080 because on Kick, it's not gatekept behind a wall of affiliate ship or non-affiliate ship, the quality of your stream, which is really nice. So when you're just starting out, your viewers will be able to watch you in 1080p quality, which is fan-freaking-tastic. So I highly recommend that you guys set your base canvas and your output canvas to be 1920 by 1080. That way, when your viewers come in, they are able to watch you in 1080p if their internet is able to handle that, and of course they can always scale down if they need to. Now that you've completely set up your OBS for streaming on Kick, you're probably wondering how you can reach affiliate, because obviously that's the goal for monetization. So, if we go over to the achievement category, you guys will be able to see that the path to affiliate is laid out here pretty damn easy. All you have to do is hit 75 followers and stream for at least 5 hours. There is no minimum viewer requirements, which is very nice. Now, once you hit your affiliate ship, pretend that you hit the 75 followers, you've streamed for at least 5 hours, you can then go and start earning revenue, which if you click on the revenue tab will show you that you are able to get subs, and it'll say enable subscriptions, which you then set up through Stripe. Now, that's a very easy, self-explanatory process. It'll walk you through it step by step on how to do that, and I'll walk you guys through how to do that in a future video on affiliateship that goes in more in depth, but that's the basics on how to do it. Once you are there, now you might say, well, I want to set up my emotes. Now, even before you hit affiliate, you get 60 emote slots here on Kick, which is absolutely amazing. So as you guys can see here, your channel emotes are just all up in here, which is fantastic. So you get 60 of them, and you can fill in as many of them as you want to be animated emotes or GIFs, or you can have them be static emotes or, you know, PNGs, which is also really, really nice. So that is super cool. The other thing is you get 20 subscriber emote slots as soon as you hit affiliateship. So, or 24 actually, because this is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So you get 24 subscriber emote slots just for hitting affiliate when you hit the 75 followers and 5 streaming hours, which is super duper duper nice. After you guys set up all of your emotes, you upload all of them, you name them whatever you want them to be: crown, blush, bits, angry, Ahiago, heart, imagine 1, 2, etc. It does them all in alphabetical order for you, and all of these other ones, and you can pick your prefix as well. Mine is obviously LeckaTV, since that is my name, and it makes it very, very nice and easy to do. So you can choose what your prefix is, unlike on Twitch, if you guys are familiar with that platform, which I think is very cool. You can also go into your chat settings, and from here you can set up your rules, so the first time somebody comes into your chat, they will see it, they will read it, they'll react to it, and then they will be allowed to chat in your community. Now, I have mine set up very simple, don't be a dick. Very, very easy. But you can change yours to be whatever you want. Obviously, you can have it be much more complicated, you can have it be very succinct like mine is. Pretty easy. And if you guys want, then there's a chat filter as well that'll let you ban certain words that you want to, which is great. And there's also an option down here at the bottom that will let you allow users to post links in chat. I recommend not having this as an option so that people don't post really awful things in your chat, like, you know, sites that you don't want to have any of your community members or yourself click on. So for safety, never allow this to actually be an option, but it's there if you so choose. Now, if you want to set a moderator in your chat, all you have to do is go over here and click on the moderator tab. What this is going to do is allow you to look at the moderators you already have, which if you're new to the channel and adding them, it's going to be 0. And after that, you just click add new and you type in someone's name. So let's pretend I wanted to mod one of my friends. I would type in their name would pop up, I would hit their name, and then I would click on add. I'm not going to because I don't want to force them into a moderator role that they haven't agreed to, but that's how you would add moderators to your chat. And if you're new to streaming, moderators are people who have special powers in chat to help keep it safe, such as banning members who are being unruly or mean or negative in your chat in a way that you do not want, or like being racist or homophobic or anything like that. And it also lets them delete comments as well. So if somebody says something really bad in chat, it'll let you them delete it for you, so you don't have to do it in the middle of your content if you don't want to, which is really nice. When you're smaller and starting out, you don't really need to have moderators because you're gonna really be able to be one-on-one and in the trenches with your chat, which is fantastic when you're starting out. But having 1, maybe 2 when you're first starting can be helpful, but it's not a requirement if you don't know anybody who will agree to be a moderator for you yet. And the last thing is badges. Kick is really cool because it also offers VIP badges. You are limited to having 50 VIP badges for your community, so make sure that you guys are careful with who you choose to give these to. Don't just give them out willy-nilly to every single Joe, Dick, and Harry that comes into your chat. You want to make sure that they are somebody who you actually think deserves the recognition for it. And with the OG badges, these should be given to people who are special because they've been with you the longest. Because that's what an OG is, an original gangster. So these ones are limited to 25 per person, or per account, and you want to be sure that you are giving these badges out to people who have been supporting you the longest. And because there is less of them, you want to be extra careful with it. VIP is for special recognition, OG is for the people who have been with you the longest. And of course, when you hit affiliate, you'll go to your subscriber badges. This will be an option for you when you hit that point, and you'll be able to show off all of your different badges that you want. It goes from all the way from the base of 1 month as a subscriber all the way up to 8 years. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 20 different subscriber badges that you can have. Now, if you don't have special badges already made like I do, then obviously you don't have to do this right away. You can hire an artist for it later when you have the funds to do so. And Kick will let you use their default ones instead, which are little stars. So if you guys want to set those up, that's how you would do that once you hit affiliate ship too. How do I set up alerts, you might ask? And I'm very glad you asked, random viewer who's watching this video. You would do that by going to a bot called Botrix. Again, this will be linked in the description down below for you guys, just like the OBS platform. And with this one, you are going to log in via Twitch. Now, let me just show you guys how to do it by logging out. So, if I'm able to... Oh, I actually don't think I'm able to log out from here. Well, oh, there we go. It's at the bottom. So this is what the Botrix page is going to look like. Now, there is no option here for Kick, and that's okay. What you're going to do is you're going to log in with any of these. I recommend doing Twitch if you already have one. That's how I do it. Is if you log in with Twitch, you put in your credentials, and once you've put in your credentials, it will, because I've already connected mine to it, have you here. And you'll see in the top left it says your platform right now is Twitch. We want to change that to Kick. So right here on this platform screen, we're going to scroll down and click on Settings for Kick, and now you can see that it is checkmarked and that my platform for Kick has already been connected. If you don't have a settings one there, you want to make sure that you click Sign In with Kick, connect your Kick account, and then you will be able to sign in and have it be connected to your Kick platform. Once you've done those steps, you can go ahead and go to your alerts, and once you are in your alerts, this is where you will set up your different messages and texts and images that pop up whenever something happens. So for a subscription, you can set up the way that you want it to look with the text and the picture, how long you want it to go, the style that you want it to be in, any animations, the image, the sound, the volume, the colors, etc., all the way down to the bottom. And when you're done, you're going to hit Save Settings. And you'll be able to do that for each thing, whether it's a subscription, a gift sub, a follower, a raid, a tip, or a Kick, which is Kick's version of bits that hasn't been released yet. So you really don't need to worry about this right now. But if at some point you guys are watching this in the future when this has become a thing, if you want to set it up early beforehand so that when it happens you're ready for it, good on you. But when you're first starting out and you don't have the option to have subscribers, you don't need to worry about having your subscriptions and gift sub notifications done. All you have to do is really focus on followers and raids and tips, right? Because that's going to be how you get your interactions with your community before you get to your 75. Once you've set all of these up and hit save down here at the bottom, you are going to copy this widget URL. You're going to hit copy, and that you are going to paste it into your OBS settings. And how you do that is you come over here to your OBS, you click on the plus sign, you go to browser, you would type it whatever you want it to be, like AAA, but you would want it to be something like alerts, like I already have. And then right here in the URL section, you would hit copy and paste that in there. I copy and pasted Botrix because that's what I had, but it would do the long URL of your very specific alert box. After that, you would hit save. Make sure that your alert is here at the top of your screen so that it shows up over everything else. And from there, your alerts are set up and you guys are set to go for having follows and raids and tips be notified for you in your Kick live stream. Also, as one last thing, make sure that when you have Botrix come into your chat, that you go ahead and you mod Botrix so that it has admin permissions to be able to do all of the things that it can do for your chat, like with commands and timers and all the other things that you can do in Botrix. I'll make a tutorial specifically on how to set up all the cool things with Botrix for your channel in a separate video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that and subscribe so you don't miss out when that video comes out in the very near future. But for now, that is going to be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for being here. I very much appreciate all of your time. If you enjoyed it and you found this very helpful, please go ahead and leave a like. Feel free to ask any questions you want in the comments down below, or come into my live streams. I am live on Kick 4 days a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I would love to chat and hang out with all of you guys there. But without taking up any more of y'all's time, I will go ahead and let you beautiful people go. Goodbye, my lovelies.